Hi there. My name is Diana, and today I want to share with you my experience with, let's see, try to get a good shot of the bottle for you, with this vitamin C anti-aging advanced serum from elementsofyouth.com. Now, this is a really great product, and it has helped my skin in so very many ways. First of all, I've been using it for 2 months, and one thing that I'm really sensing and feeling is that my skin is a lot smoother, and I have a lot of sort of these little dark spots here, a lot from the sun and from sitting in the car, and I have found that this has really faded them all. It goes on beautifully. It sort of absorbs right away. My skin tone just looks terrific to me. And as a matter of fact, my best friend asked me what I was using, and I was excited to tell her. And I said, I really think that this is something that I'm going to be using for a really long time. The company claims to be the future of anti-aging, and I believe it. I'm really happy with this product. Again, it's Vitamin C Advanced Anti-Aging Serum from Elements of Youth, and I really recommend it. I'm going to be a customer for a long time, and I think you should be too.